welcome to another edition of my health talk with Queen Nikki. So today, before I start our topic for today, first I would like to appreciate my loved ones, friends, and family that have been following me on all my social media platforms. Guess what, guys? I just created another YouTube channel. Please follow my YouTube channel, subscribe to it, please. Yeah, and it's gonna be Health Talk Queen 1. Health Talk Queen 1. I'm gonna tag it below this video. So let's guess. We're gonna guess what our topic is for today. Okay, so our topic today is going to be how to effectively burp our newborn baby and also carry our newborn baby during burping time, or maybe you just want to carry the newborn baby, how we can safely, effectively carry newborn baby without any harm. Okay, that's what we're going to do today. Okay, and I'll be using my favorite baby. This is going to be my baby. Like I said in my previous video, it's going to be Lola. So this is Lola. So now Lola just finished eating 2 ounces of formula and I want to burp Lola. Okay, so I will hold Lola close to me. There are different ways we can burp our baby, because remember, burping is digestive process. So now this is Lola. Okay, I will hold Lola to a sitting position close to me. I will support Lola's head like this, close to my palm, and I will gently pat Lola back, up and down, and also in a round circular motion. I will continue that depending on the baby. Some baby burp easily within few seconds, they will burp. Some baby takes a minute. So I will continue until I hear the burping sound, and then I will stop, hold the baby, and then continue to feed. And after feeding again, depending on the baby, usually it's recommended that we burp baby at every ounces of feeding. Let's say you feed the baby 1 ounce, you burp. You feed another 1 ounce, you burp. You feed another 1 ounce, you burp. But as the baby grow older, you can do 2 ounces and 1 burp, or you can feed the baby. Once you notice the baby don't want to eat anymore, then you burp. Now I want you guys to pay attention as the way I was holding the baby's head. Be careful when you're holding baby that you support their neck, especially a newborn baby. Another method of burping baby is putting baby close to our shoulder. So I'm going to put Lola close to my shoulder like this, and then I will partly rub Lola's back in a circular motion, gently, and then burp. Some parents usually do this. It's dangerous if you're patting your baby so hard like this. Look at it. You see how Lola's head is shaking? This can cause shaking baby syndrome, so be careful when you shake your baby too much. No. Just gently pat the baby like this from the back, up and down, and a round circular motion. So this, good. This, wrong. Okay, we don't want to do that. So gently pat the baby until you hear the sound, the burp sound. Okay, and that's it. I hope you guys learned how to burp your baby very well now. Now, how to safely handle baby. It's going to be 2 parts. I will still do another part whereby we'll be giving baby bath. It's very important because I have some cultural things I will discuss in that aspect, but it's going to be another video for another day. So now, how do we effectively carry our baby, especially the newborn baby? There are some parents, when they want to carry their baby, they go this way and carry the baby, especially newborn baby, from the shoulder like this. This can cause shoulder dislocation. You don't want that. So to effectively carry your baby, go this way and hold your baby this way. That way your hand is supporting the head, your arm is supporting the leg, and the baby is well balanced on your chest, especially for newborn baby. Remember, newborn baby, you have to carry them very well because they don't have control over their neck, their head, or their body. But when they turn 6 months or 4 months, they have good grips. So for now, you want to carry them this way. And also, I've seen some mothers, especially, I can talk a little bit about it. I've seen some mothers when they are showering the baby, especially, I don't want to mention African also, they do this and put the baby up, especially when they are playing with the baby or bathing the baby. This is wrong, because remember, when you're doing this, you're shaking the baby's head, and it can cause baby shaking syndrome. You don't want to do that. You don't want to damage the baby brain knowingly or unknowingly. Please, it's a habit to stop. If you want to play with the baby, you can easily carry your baby this way, play with the baby, or scoop your baby this way, gently hold the baby. And I will talk about the back one of this video, okay? Please. And remember, once you effectively, safely carry your baby both ways, always support the head, the neck, and the back. Okay? I hope you've learned 1 or 2 things from my video today. Until I see you guys on my next video, me and Lola and my crew, we are saying thank you so much. And remember, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Health Talk Queen 1. Health Talk Queen 1. Health Talk Queen 1. And I will tag it on my video, below my video. Thank you so much, guys, for always subscribing, your comment, your feedback. I appreciate it. And until I see you guys, remain blessed and have a safely baby burping and safely handling newborn. Till I come your way, take care and remain blessed. Ciao, ciao. Bye.